How to fix Roblox crashing. First thing first, if your computer is affected by malware, you might be getting problems with Roblox crashing. So first step for solving this problem is scan your computer with an antivirus or run Windows Defender, and firstly make sure that your computer is not affected with malwares. And after that, open up run command and type %local app data % and hit OK. And after that, here you will be able to see Roblox. Make sure to delete this Roblox folder and restart your game again. But if this is not helping to solve a problem, the next thing that you can do is go to Roblox player and change compatibility options, and make sure that the compatibility mode is tick mark, and choose Windows 7 or Windows 8 and run the compatibility option, and you should be able to fix your problem. Or if that does not help, come back to the settings again and reduce the color mode, disable full screen optimization, and make sure to run this program as an administrator. Even after doing all of these things, if it is not working properly, uninstall and reinstall the Roblox app again. So these are some of the fixes for Roblox crashing frequently.